How to delete your Telegram account on Android or iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can delete your Telegram account, and this works with both Android and iOS devices. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, as you can see, if I go ahead and then open my Telegram account, you can see that this account is currently active. If I want to delete it, you have to simply follow a few basic instructions. So now we will not be able to delete the Telegram account from the app itself. What we have to do is we are going to hop out of this Telegram application, and I will simply go ahead and open any of the browsers on my phone. Once you open your browser, in the search box, what you want to do is you want to simply type in my.telegram.org. So I will leave this link down in the description box as well. You have to simply go ahead and type in my.telegram.org. Once you go to my.telegram.org, you can see this page which says delete account or manage apps. Log in here to manage your apps using Telegram API or to delete your account, enter your number, and we will send you a confirmation code via Telegram and not SMS. You also want to make sure that while you are entering your number, you want to go ahead and enter it in an international format, which means that you have to enter your country code. If you don't know your country code, you could simply go ahead and search in Google as well. In my case, it is +977, so I'm going to simply enter that country code. After you enter your country, your SMS code, what you can do is you have to go ahead and simply enter your phone number. Once you've entered your phone number, the other thing that you also want to make sure is that you are logged into your Telegram account on your phone. As it said that it will not send an SMS through the SMS app, but with the Telegram app. So you have to go ahead and tap on the next button, make sure that your information is actually correct. So once it sends a Telegram code, you will simply receive it on the Telegram app. So wait until we receive the code. So as you can see, we have successfully received the code right over here. If you look at the notification settings, I will simply go ahead and then open it, and you can see this code right over here which says this is your login code. You have to go ahead and simply copy or remember this code. So I'm going to go ahead and first of all copy this code. Once you copy the code, you can come back to this login screen, and we're going to go ahead and paste that particular code. Once you've pasted the code, you can choose to remember if you want. I will go ahead and tap on the sign in button. And after you sign in, you can see we have three options, which is the API development tools or the delete account and log out. And in order to delete our Telegram account, whether we're on Android or iOS, you have to simply tap on the second option which says delete account. As you tap on delete account, you can see it says, do you really want to delete your account? You can also read there, it says, if you delete your account, all your messages and contacts will be deleted beyond retrieval. All groups and channels that you've created will be orphaned and left without a creator, but admins will retain their rights. There is also a warning that if you want to delete your account, please only delete your account if you no longer want to use Telegram. If you delete your account now, it may not be possible to sign up again for several days. So there are also basically other few options which you can do. For example, if you want to change your number in Telegram, or if your account was limited due to spam related activity and so on. But we're going to basically ignore all of that over here. You can simply confirm your phone number of the Telegram account you're trying to delete and go ahead and enter the reasons why you are leaving. Now this is a compulsory process. You have to simply enter in anything. After that, what you want to do is at the very bottom left, you can see this blue button which says delete my account. You have to simply tap on delete my account, and at the top you can see it says please only delete your account if you no longer want to use Telegram. All you have to do is tap on that red button which says yes, delete my account, and after you do that, your Telegram account will be successfully deleted. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.